I know it's dark right now, this bad lighting, but hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be doing a edible DIY slime. So I will go up in the living room and show you what I have. So see you when I get there. Okay, so I'm in the living room, and so I already put some up in the bowl, some Starburst. So we're just gonna put the rest of the Starburst, put the rest of these. Only got 4 left. Just gonna put them in the bowl. And I'll be back when I get up and all these and go. Okay, so I am done putting all of them up in the bowl. And now I'm gonna go put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. So I'm finna put them in the microwave. Okay, so I just took them out the microwave. And it's like this. So you're just gonna stir it all up. But remember, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. But you have to kind of eyeball it because it depends how much you put up in there. If you put a little, put it in for 10 seconds and stuff like that. But see, I had medium, so I just put them in for 30 seconds. Well, if you do put all of it in for 30 seconds and you only got a little bit, you have to watch it because it could stick to the bowl. And so yeah. So this ain't nothing but one ingredient. You know how other people say you need corn, you need powdered sugar and stuff like that. All you have to do is really just sit here. So I'm gonna mix it all in. And it's going to stick to your spoon. Or you could just let it sit. Put it in the refrigerator. Put it on the cabinet. Put it on the cabinet for like 5-10 minutes. And so it don't look like slime, it just look like liquid. But then it's gonna get sticky. I'm just gonna drop it on here. And don't forget it's edible. One ingredient slime. So yeah, I'll be back when I put this on the table. Okay, so I have it out the bowl. It's on the table. And play with it. It's going to be hot, but if you let it sit, it's going to be like hard to stretch and stuff. So I just play with it when it's hot, and so when it gets cold, it will still be stretchy.